How will the growing demand for food be met with the world's population increasing? Don't worry. These tools solve the problem with cutting-edge technology. This tool helps to divide the dough into equal parts. An automatic cooking machine that keeps your dish in perfect condition. This conveyor belt controls the breaking of the cake layer during production. This is the process of mass-producing crab sticks. These donuts are firmly dipped into melted chocolate, achieving the perfect coating. This machine perfectly spreads thin layers of cream on the cake. The fish pass through the weighing line to be sorted by the correct size. Eggshells are removed by this machine. Carrot peeling becomes much faster with this machine. Then the carrots are moved to the cutting machine. Practical food packaging line can produce large quantities in a short time. Man and machine work together to cook and package hot pot sauce. Bread is sliced into thin pieces with an automatic blade. machine peels orange skins so effectively. The process of making beautiful bread. An automatic saw cuts frozen products with precision. Royal jelly is skillfully extracted by a craftsman using this tool. A single machine can process 100 kilograms of dough in 1 hour. Automatic butter cutting with the blockbuster pumping and screw system. Which of these machines would you like to own? Leave your answer in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to TechPulse so you won't miss any of our videos.